You're on film.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Working on the sprinklers. We have to get to the bottom of this sucker.
Oh, I might have to show you the whole project.
Show them the project. You'll get a grinder.
Okay. And here's the project. Really nice day out here. Little tree. Here's all some tools. Oh, have you ever heard of an e-bike? There they are.
Grinder.
Grinder. Get out here, then you can say that again. Okay?
Okay.
Because I want you on camera for that first. That was cool.
So digging is hard, and I want to try to make it easy. So I'm going to sharpen the shovel. Get the dirt off first.
This is dirt right here, guys. Like quicksand. Move too much, sink a little faster in it.
Let's see if George Washington was right. His work easier with sharp tools.
What's the answer?
The answer? Oh yeah. Yeah, I would say the answer is definitely yes. It does seem to be a little easier. Here. And we got one already right here. So we kind of need something in the middle. Digging is still hard, but it's definitely easier when it's sharp.
Keep that grinder out, Daddy, because you might need it again. There you go, folks. It's right. Look what I'm doing. Just climbing over here. I'm a monkey with a phone. And I want the cut to be on the camera. Cut.
I'm going to use the torch just to try to heat up the pipe just a little to make it a little more pliable and easy to get these connectors on. There we go, all patched up.